Not today.
It is on 1st of April.
Fine. Possible. When did you
Okay.
file?
It was already filed and record were already called and it was directed to be listed after a week on 17th, third lordship.
Did not
But
raise.
did
Why
not
did not
raise.
you mention it yesterday?
Should have, we don't know, we have filed one affidavit also, therefore, lordship, we could not file
On first.
first.
Which class? 29 class. Yes, tomorrow.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 17 and 18, my lord. Yesterday has not been received, my lord.
It has to come from which police station?
Minor.
Minor. Utoro.
Yeah, minor. Gorsuk minor.
Hold on for a few minutes.
My lord.
Petition for listing and it may be taken unlisted.
Not today.
For first
Either on
April,
first, second, whenever you want.
for
First,
first
second.
April also.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, yesterday I mentioned for withdrawal, Lordship. Lordship will allow my petition, but Lordship, matter is not listed today. Lordship, kindly for today, Lordship.
On first.
Lordship, for withdrawal, Lordship is not.
See, it will not come now. Difficulty is, that's why you're saying it will be on first. First of April, it will be listed.
Otherwise, I'm very difficult. This Lordship, kindly for withdrawal, Lordship, just for withdrawal.
It was on our list of. It is not possible. It is not listed today. It will be possible only on first. We'll take it up at first at 10:30.
Lordship, matter be in Honorable Justice Mittal Sakuyan.
The matter which you have to withdraw,
Lordship,
it has been listed in that court.
for motion, Lordship, it can on Mittal Sakuyan court, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, kindly, if possible, Lordship, then.
How can you do that? Because normally the withdrawal cases comes immediately on the very next day. Because of certain reason, it may not have been listed. We do not know. So even if we pass an order now, it may not be possible, ma'am. If you want a withdrawal, it will be possible only on Monday or Tuesday. Not today. But do one thing, you inquire from through your branch, if it is possible, if it is mentioned is allowed for withdrawal. We can allow you after some time. You just first inquire and tell us, let us know what stage it is pending. It may be so that it may be in the filing section, or it may be, sorry, in the judicial section for listing, but it could not be listed because the file was received lately. If that is a case, then we can take it up by 12 o'clock. Go and find out. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention an item for listing, Lordship. It is a bail application, Lordship, and the filing number is 543 oblique 2025, and it was filed on 13 March
You want
2000.
it to be listed
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, next week, Lordship.
when you want,
Lordship, deeply honored.
on which date you want.
Lordship, on 3rd April, Lordship.
3rd April. Give the date and give it.
Deeply honored.
For listing a bail application, we have filed it on 24 March, my lordship, and we list it on 1st April, my lordship.
First.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention bail application for listing, Lordship. Bail
For?
application for listing, Lordship.
When do you want?
Sir, 1st April. Obliged, Lordship.
When did you file?
Lordship, we filed on 18 February.
You have the filing number with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your lordship. I beg to mention a listing for BA for bail hearing, lordship. Next
Bail
week. any
hearing?
day. Lordship,
For motion or what?
For bail hearing. Next week, any date, lordship.
Tell us the date. Tell us the date.
On 3rd, lordship, 3rd of April.
Fine, on 3rd.
Like,
May please, Lordship, for listing the criminal petition, Lordship. The file on 18, Lordship, March. Number is already
Bail
but
petition.
not listed,
When do you want?
Lordship. On 3rd, Lordship,
Criminal petition, why before this court? It will go to the appropriate court. We are not taking criminal petition.
for 18.
Appropriate court.
May it please, Your Lordship, I want to list the matter BA 791/2025. It was filed on 13/3/2025, Your Lordship. May it come on 1st of April, Your Lordship.
My lord, I am praying for listing of anticipatory bail application, my lord. Anticipatory bail application on Wednesday, my lord.
When did you file?
File, my lord. Filing number is there, my lord.
Obligation.
May it please your lordship, another AB 580/2025. May it come on second, your lordship. Much obliged. May it please your lordship, item number 27, adjourn for the day, lordship.
What is your prayer?
Adjourn for the day, lordship only. Senior counsel, not able.
27 two letters. Wait for a few minutes. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
17 and 18, madam. No, no. No, status report is a goal person. No, no.
Mr.
No, no.
Yes, my lord. FIR, we have not received the instruction whether any FIR.
Nidu Pawan Goswami.
Lost.
Read the orders and tell us what to do. You just suggest.
Yeah.
Then we'll pass the order. Look at you.
Maybe. Anticipated bail, my lord. It was listed on last 21st of March, my lord. And fixed, my lord, this week. Not date was given. So maybe it may come in the next week.
Give us a date, Mr.
my lord.
Give us a date. Which one, on which date you want?
I want, my lord, second.
Second.
Well.
Tell us now what to do.
My lord.
You tell us. You have seen the orders.
Yes, the order is.
And also seen.
Yeah.
You have nothing to say.
Since an
You
order-
tell us.
Order, since an
You
order.
tell us. That's
Yeah.
all, Mr. Goswami.
That is what, my lord. Since an order is there, my lord, so we have to call for the instruction, my lord. Because as per the direction of honorable court.
The bill was passed when?
It was passed on, my lord, 7th.
last year.
From 7th of January 2025. Today is.
Because it was not given.
Give it to us.
Well.
Give it. Said yesterday, Dispur, Gorsuk, Bosistha, Hajo, Jalukbari. These are very interesting police stations.
Okay.
By order it is 07012025. The court call for the case diary. If registered. With regard to an FIR lodged by Srimati Uma Kumari Tamang on 12/12/2024. Case diary from Gorchuk Police Station. And fix the matter on 07, fix the matter on after 4 weeks. On 06/03/2025. The relevant case diary or public instruction was not placed before the court as such. Matter today. Placed on second. No signature. When inquired, लिखा. Mr. MP Goswami, Line Additional Public Prosecutor submitted. No such information / case diary has yet been received. Placed on second. On the said date. The officer in charge. And the concerned investigating officer
And may,
shall personally present before this court at 10:30 AM.
with all respect, my lord, may I take some instruction today, my lord, today in the case.
Mr. Goswami, sorry.
Sir.
These are the difficult police stations what we could get off
Yeah.
from the orders that been seen earlier. And shall apprise the court as to whether the FIR lost by Uma Komari Tamang on 12/12/2024 has been registered or not. If so, in the said police station, Bolto police station or not. And if so, what is the case number and the status? Same order. 18. That the FIR lost by Niranti Bo
17 and 18, my lord.
on 19/12/2024. Godso police station. Copy of this order to Mr. MP Goswami during the course of the.
Publish, madam. There's an interim order, madam.
Till then.
Halima Prabhu.
Yes, you have not taken steps. Why?
That's it, only adjourn for the day election.
So you do not know, you have not taken steps. So automatically the matter will be listed sometimes in the end of later part of April. You have not yet filed. As on 28/03/2025, you have not taken steps. Do by order dated 07/03/2025. Petitioner was directed to take steps on the informant. Respondent number 2. The office note dated 27/03/2025 indicated the petitioner has not yet taken such steps on the said respondent. Subject to taking steps, Rifa. Subject to taking steps by the petitioner on the informant respondent number 2, as directed earlier on 07/03/2025. This is the matter on 28th of April.
Earlier rejected, my lord. The lordship's order,
From which police station?
my lord, Dispur, my lord.
Dispur.
Dispur, my lord. Page 23, your lordship's order. Page 23, my lord. There are 3 petitioner, my lord. The present petitioner case was rejected. Other 2 were
Do
allowed.
one thing. From Dispur only,
But
Yes.
today,
next week,
no, my lord. Today is 59 day.
59.
59.
Mr.
Yes, madam.
Goswami asked your colleague to get the information whether such.
In the morning, my lord, some of the cases, as your lordship indicated, my lord, we've taken some instruction. 1 and 2 is pending, my lord. Item number 1 and 2. That's it, not.
Whether they will be filing tomorrow,
Cannot be.
not possible. Heard Mr. Arendra, the council appearing for the petition. Regularly by the and Mr. MP Goswami, and additional public possibility for the state. By petition and English substances, our problem. File this application on 24/03/2025 under section 482 BNSS, praying for his bail. In dispute police station case number 33/2025 under section 303 in bracket 2/318/2 in bracket 2 of the BNS. Corresponding to GR number 261/2025. Petitioner's earlier bail application number 436/2025 in said dispute PS case number 33/2025 was rejected by this court on 18/03/2025.
And in that case, there are three petitioners, my lord.
In the case of petitioner, I'm not saying about others.
Yes, yes.
PD 9/21.
After he is shown arrest, the petitioner was produced before the Ranat Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Metro Guwahati on 29/01/2025 in said dispute PS case number 33/2025. And as on date, he is in custody for about 59 days. And they say this will get system. On instruction, Mr. MP Goswami and additional public prosecutor submitted that the search it inside this PS case number 33 2025. It's not yet ready. Considering the same and the period of detention of the petitioner in custody in such and such. About this. Petition number 22%. Okay, condition. Thanks, please.
Item 2, my lord, same case, same police station, my lord. But here, my lord, the length of detention is 50 days, my lord.
We'll have it on next week.
My lord, I may be allowed to withdraw, my lord. Two
On
items.
instruction, Mr. Ranjit Dattul, and on the instruction of the petitioner, Lutfur Rahman alias Rocky, who filed this bail application under section on 24th of in dispute case number
59.
pressed for withdrawal of this bail application to which Mr. MP objects. There are petitions and dismissed. This bail application of the petitioner namely successors and dismissed. On withdrawal.
3, my lord, 59 days, my lord. Polasbari. Your lordship's order, my lord. At page 25.
He also has CDs in the office, madam. So that is not filed,
So I should not file.
not filed, madam. Materials, sir, my lord, as lordship, page 25, my lord, these are the materials. Period of detention.
Record. Mr. Record, perhaps, no? Eight number order to page number 25 of the same.
Any arrest?
When you were soon arrested?
My lord, your lordship will see page 25, my lord, paragraph 2, my lord. Seeking bail, wherein he was shown arrested on 29/01/25 and he is custody since then. Page 25, second paragraph, my lord.
Not a colleague. Will appear. Before the concerned investigating officer.
এটা আছে তো। এটা খালি সিটি কল করলো।
পাঁচ নম্বর মানে করে পেশ করতে হবে। Every 15 days during the day hours for the next 2 English calendar months.
খালি সিটি কল করা।
Oh, AB.
On commencing from 8th of April. Eight and 24th. Working days, 1824. Before the investigating officer for the next 2 illegal commencing from 8th April. If the date fixed or holiday, then the next working day. In addition to that, he shall also appear before the such and such as and when he is required. In the event of filing any short suit. Till the conclusion of the trial. I need your 75,000 progress.
I cannot take a lordship indulgence, my lord. Item number 5, my lord, only diary may be called for, my lord.
You are there?
I am there, my lord. Item number 5, my lord, diary may be called for, but because, my lord, the diary is in another court, my lord. Please motion, my lord. Next week, candidate.
Well, but
No interim, I am not praying for
no,
interim,
not on that. I think so. Someone from the forest department has to be here.
my lord.
Someone from the forest department has to be there.
No, my item number 5, forest 9. No, it is 5, my lord. I'm sorry. I have taken a lordship indulgence, my lord. 5. Same case, my lord, ATM case, my lord. Only diary, my lord.
Simla, Mr.
Lordship,
Goswami, when?
my lord, next Friday, my lord.
Because the diary is in court number 19, my lord. Today another case is picked up.
You want on 5th?
Fifth.
Saturday, my lord, sorry.
Is it a working day?
Fourth.
I'll not care. On 4th, my lord. On 4th, my lord.
Okay, in that case, 7th.
7th,
Seven, Lordship.
my lord.
Sorry to, my lord, one interruption, my lord. In item number 17 and 18, whether, and maybe wrong, my lord, whether lordship has ordered personal appearance of Dispur.
Gorchu.
Oh, yes, my lord, that is what I thought my lordship has pointed out Dispur, my lord, so I thought.
What is it? There are certain police stations where
Yes.
you are not getting in time.
Yes, I thought this is a Dispur case, my lord, but my lord, in this case, we have instruction, my lord, that instruction is coming, my lord.
Which case?
in 17 and 18, my lord.
Ask Mr.
Yes.
Doctor to be here.
Yes, no, my lord,
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary. Bora, my lord. D. Bora. D. Bora, 17 and 18. Oh. I thought it is a dispute case, my lord. First, my lord.
Okay.
That is a God Sugi, my lord.
Utoro.
Yeah.
Only लिखियो.
Yeah.
If the instruction comes, then we'll take it up on first of.
Yes, it is coming just
List on first of
behaving.
April. Give it, you detain it. These matters will be listed on first April.
First of April.
First April.
May-
Yes, ma'am.
483 application lordship, detained,
Even I can write.
I can pull.
Oh.
Detention since 18
Polasbury, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Wilson.
Polas going DA. This is my lord, inside, my lord. Before vacation.
16th of March,
Yes.
not even 10 days.
Only yes. So my lord can, oh yes, my lord. Then after Bihu.
No, lordship. Lordship.
Why?
Here, what happened, lordship? Here, the informant who has lost the affair has categorically stated, even they have appeared before the IO also, and even they have shown in affidavit that I have annexed to this petition, that these petitioners are not involved in any kind of money trail. That over and above, lordship, they are even not even named in the affair. They have been wrongly picked up by the police just to satisfy the villagers that they have done something. So the absolutely illegal
Okay, what madam
detention,
is saying,
lordship.
in that case, get the case there,
Yes, lordship.
7th, 8th, whenever you.
Yes, my lord. 10th, my lord.
No, lordship, can it be a 9?
You fix the date, we'll pass the order, fix the date. Which date? Tell us,
I'm sorry.
tell us, give the date.
I'm sorry.
You
lord-
fix the date, we'll accordingly pass the order. Kindly, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
No, please tell us.
Lordship. Just,
You give us the date.
yes, lordship.
When do you want?
9th, lordship.
9th.
I'm sorry, lordship. I'm
It's
sorry.
okay.
I'm sorry.
Not legal lordship. My lord, where the affair lost, the ranch forest officer, Guwahati ranch, my lord. Allegation is that from the present petitioner. One
Mr.
pangolin.
This is forest again, I think
Forest.
so.
Yes, my lord.
My lord.
You'll be here, Mr. Sharma.
Today is 49 days, my lord. 60 days is statutory period.
In custody since when?
My lord, since 8/2, my lord. 49, 9 days today.
You want thing, 7th you get it.
Copy, will, sir. Copy, which আমার অফিসে দিছে ওটা এক্সট্রা কপি দিব
আমার একটা দিদি মতো।
Mr. Sharma in 8th.
of my state court.
Ajay Sharma, public prosecutor, लिखी पहले forest.
I'm blessed. Eight days, lordship, my lord. If anticipatory bail application, my lord, after in the page, my lord, 8, my lord. Really even, my lord, page 8.
Page 8.
My lord, only allegation is that forcefully tried to enter my house and tried to.
Well, get the case there after view vacation. This is an affair of 8th of January.
Yes, my lord.
Give us a date. Immediately after view vacation.
Lordship. 24th, my lord.
24th is not immediately after view vacation.
And 21st,
Make it 22nd.
Lord.
My lord, I am 57 years old, my lord. Only thing, my lord.
It's outraging of a modesty of a woman.
My
You
lord,
cannot put
only,
out the case that
only
you
one
want.
submission will consider after, my lord.
only, my lord, paragraph number 3. What happened, my lord? I am a Muazzin, aged about 67 years, my lord. I have donated the entire land to the masjid, my lord.
See,
But the husband.
let the case there come. It's a modesty of
obvious-
matters. So when do we have seen that, let us.
Obvious.
not do that.
Eight pages. Lordship will find the translated version of the FIR at page 11. The vernacular at page 14. 70-year-old person.
Okay.
The FIR says that he physically forced.
From Jokla Bundha.
Lord,
It is not that it's not possible, right?
I understand.
Yes,
But
my lord.
one
Let
year
the-
ago.
We can understand. Let
One-
the
one
case
year-
there come. We have seen that is also, we see, the reason behind that, it's difficult. We'll see to that. There is
Yeah.
also something in between if you have read the paragraph.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
They wouldn't like to disclose it, but anyway, let the case there come.
Lord,
Yes, from Jokla Bundha.
23rd, my.
Public.
Perceive this is PRS bail application. FIR at page 12, it's vernacular. 103 section is there, my lord, petitioner is a husband. Another bail application, my lord, arising out of same FIR is fixed on 4/4, my lord, for diary. Another,
Give us the number, Mr.
Okay.
Gogol.
Number.
Do you have the number?
uh,
Give us the number.
560/2025,
AB or BA?
AB,
560
2025,
025. On 4th of April.
4th of April.
Same date.
Yeah, same.
On the prayer of Mr. B.B. Gogol, under council. Yes, yes.
Pre-arrest bail, madam. The allegation is page that, and 12 page, madam. Vernacular is at 14. But the allegation has been brought that there was a relationship since last 9 years. No typographical mistake, 1 year, madam. 9 years. Now, my problem is that the boy has declined to marry her. That's why this case has been come up, madam. And he approached the section court, has rejected it, but other persons have been enlarged on bail. That is also I have annexed page 24, madam.
Mr. Goswami,
He is a government
Are you
employee.
querying?
Lord, from Hailakandi, my lord.
Kindly protect me, my lord, and
see, appear before the IO
oblige, people oblige.
on or before 2nd.
April, madam. 2nd April.
Very good. 50,000 to local sale. Case number. Lala. 192025. Last particular corresponding to GR number 90. I go to 19, Lala to 19, GR to 90. A area condition get a delay shall not fit from the activation.
Development.
It will be my
Date.
Huh?
Date.
Baki there to confirm.
That's a fixed on date.
This will be Lala. We'll be
Lala.
fixing in sometimes around
28.
28.
28, my lord.
Interim is there.
affair is at page 7, Lordship. The whole allegation is against the husband. We are, Lordship, the sister and brother-in-law of the accused number 1. It will, Lordship, kindly have affair. Matrimonial issue, Lordship.
Yes, along with the medical report,
Lordship,
give us a date
Some protection
from Abhayapuri.
Abhayapuri, my lord.
and not for husband, Lordship. Allegation is against the husband.
True, but if you read it,
Well,
What is
just
the-
one line that is prior to that incident. Marriage took place 30 years back. The- At the instance of family member, that was prior to the acid incident.
see, basically,
3 children.
We are living in different places, Lordship. More than 2.5 kilometers.
let the case diary come, particularly medical report.
Lord.
Okay?
Lordship,
And if in the meanwhile, the statement of the victim has been recorded by IO or
Right.
whatever.
around 22nd or 23rd, my lord.
22nd, when, because it has to come from Abhayapuri.
Yeah.
Which date?
24th.
24th will be too long.
Long, then after Bihu,
Either
Before
22nd or 23rd, any date,
yes, madam.
Give us
22nd, 22nd.
22nd. Okay. No representation on behalf of the petitioner and call. Though names of 5 councils have been reflected in the cause list. Part Mr. MP Goswami, list after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, please. In fact, 2 days, 59 days,
Hmm?
intermediate condition.
My lord, yes, charge sheet not filed, my lord.
Charge sheet not filed.
Not filed.
Heard Mr. M. Khan, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. MP Goswami,
What is your view, my lord?
petitioner,
What is your view?
prosecutor appearing for this
What is your view?
petitioners, namely Vladimir. Were arrested on 27/01/2025. In connection with Guwahati GRPS case number 16/2025 under section 20, within bracket small b, within bracket small Roman 2, within bracket capital B /29 of the NDPS Act. Recovered 9.026 kgs. No. Recovered Purushottam Chaturvedi, no? 3.542 kgs of ganja and 9.026 of kgs of ganja from the petition number 2. while they were in the Guwahati Railway Police Station while they were boarded in the Likha 12423 down Dibrugarh New Delhi Rajdhani Express. And since they are in custody. On instruction, Mr. MP Goswami and additional public prosecutor submitted that due to non-receipt of the FSL, the search sheet could not be filed in the case till date. It's seen that the today is the 60th day, not today, the 59th day in custody petitioner. 75,000 each to local city each. Satisfaction of learned special judge. NDPS,
Like special judge,
special judge, sorry. NDPS,
Kamrup Metro.
Kamrup Metro Guwahati. Shall not leave the jurisdiction of the third court without prior written permission. Tara got a sentence likhiba. It is also seen that the petitioners are from the state of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh respectively. Opposite likhiba, self-produced without such and such. Baki condition blood already. NDPS. Up next. In the event of filing any such charge sheet in said Guwahati GRPS case number 16/2025. আগতে কিন্তু corresponding to GR number লিখি আছে GR number 462 sections বিলাক লিখিয়ে কিন্তু তুমি লিখিবা নহলে কটা উল্টা হয় এখত লিখিব লাগে GR number 462/20 opposite লিখিবা in the event of filing any charge sheet against the petitioner in said Guwahati GRPS case number such and such corresponding to GR number such and such. The petitioner shall appear before the concerned trial court on issuance of summons till conclusion the said trial. Now, and shall application now shall appear before such and such special court and shall obtain regular bail from the said court and further shall appear on the dates fixed till the conclusion of the trial.
Black.
26, my lord, 89 days.
Pardon, Mr. J. Islam, right?
T. Muhammad,
What is the full name?
Taj Muhammad.
Responsible for the
Because you follow right.
and Mr. MP Goswami. The petitioner was arrested on 31/12/2024 in connection with Palajbari Police Station case number 515/2024 under section 70 within bracket 1/62.
Here, madam, I have to take the instruction. Madam. That's it. Fine.
No, today is 89 days, I think so.
Yes, madam, with a sassy.
You have not obtained instruction.
Yes, in this case, my lord, I think.
Well, here we have received one bail objection, my lord. Today morning here.
I say no.
Supposed to do in manner, but file one bail objection. Today is 88 days. 89 days.
मैंने साथी दिया ना
cannot be considered. See, they might have written you a letter.
No.
It has to be 90 days,
90.
right? Now, today, if they are saying what they are doing for these 3 months, as on date, the petition is in custody for about 88 days. Though the investigating officer of the case filed its objection against the bail of the petitioner. Then said follows the PS case number such and such. But there is some that within 2 days from today, it is not possible for them to file the search sheet in that case. There's also seen tomorrow, Saturday. And it's not a working day. Day after is Sunday. But Monday, 31st of March. The court is closed on the day being Eid. Considering such circumstances. 75,000 two local solid shall appear before the concerned investigating officer. Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Amir County. Every 15 days. Commencing from 7th of April. For the next week, English calendar months. During the on working days, like on working days, during the daytime. First of, in addition to above. Further, the petitioner. The Baki bill condition of the Oxford case of the day. So, yes, next.
In item number 11, I am appearing, Malad. Step was taken in, but in my case, Malad, service report is awaited. But otherwise, Malad, in item number 12, same informant. In this case, Malad, service has been complete.
Case is different.
Malad, the CS case is same, Malad.
Yes, case is
Informant is also same. Two accused are wait here. I am for one accused and my learned friend is for another.
Not possible. Anyway,
I am behind the bar, my lord, for 182 days. And as per FIR, my lord, basic allegations are against the co-accused, not against me.
this is from which police station, Mr. Kalita?
My lord, it is from Zagi Road, my lord.
Jagi Road.
Less
Half.
than 5th. And we'll do it in the next week.
My lord.
Less than 5th. enabling the officer in charge of Jagirod Police Station to apprise the court about the service of notice of this bill application of the petitioner Nokul Boru, right?
Yes, sir.
Service report is only with regard to Nokul Boru.
Yes, sir.
Other cases, she has appeared.
Yes. No, my lord, service complete,
Okay.
but
Nokul
perhaps
Boru.
nobody.
For
appeared.
Vijay Vishwas, service is complete.
Yes, sir.
Nokul Boru. The informant respondent number. three.
But informant is same, my lord.
Doesn't matter.
Well,
Because there are two different accused.
Yes.
On fifth, Mr. Sharma, give us the information
my lord.
and Kalita Likiba. You are appearing in the other case.
No, my lord, other case, my learned friend is appearing
Okay, and Kalita, your case service not complete
in my case.
for the petition in BA 394/2025. And MS F Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner in BA 391/2025. In the information লিখেছে যে in connection with লিখা Jagirod Police Station case number 187/20. On fifth, if the
Well-
service report is complete and doesn't appear, we'll engage amicus curiae and we'll fix the matter on seventh or eighth. Like, get the information, the
Well-
informations you can get it by over phone or WhatsApp message.
My lord.
Get it?
May I please your lordship. Lordship, I am appearing in item number 22, my lord. For two petitioners, that is Iqbal Ahmed and Probin Bey. The petitioners were arrested, my lord, on the accused persons were arrested on 20.
My
forwarded
lord,
on-
my lord, I am going through it, my lord. Only, it's up to all, my lord, they are in the next week. my lord.
Two, my lord, because already 60 days, my lord.
60.
60 days as on date, lordship, and the section 111 will not be affected under no circumstances, lord.
Do one thing, we'll have it on first. Go to the records and tell
My
us. First, list on first. এই ফর্মা
Well,
immediately after we'll take it up immediately after motion and first.
Well-
Get it ready.
Oblige.
এই common order করা BA 429/2025 along with BA 813/2025. First.
Matter was, the regular bail today is 50 days more in custody. And your lordship find the FIR is page 14. Completely, my lord, your lordship find the see the timing of the case, my lord. Page 14. Allegation is about one very well, but she is the lady on 5/2 at 11:30 in the morning, my lord. She went, and at that time when I'm having family, everything was all other people are also there, my lord. It is not impossible at all, my lord, that I have done some, my lord, wrong thing with her. In fact, this is not the case, and the petitioner was at that time, at very bad time, my lord, he was at Kahilipara. CCTV footage also there, my lord, as you have stated. Whatever I am not married at this stage, 50 days already over, my lord.
Yes. Materials are there against the petitioner, lordship may kindly.
That her statement may be there, my lord, right? Your lordship kindly sees a page, my lord, that I was at Kahilipara, page 18, my lord. Page 18, just have a look, my lord, page 18. I have gone with my sister-in-law on the whole day I was in Kahilipara. I came in the evening at 7:30 PM, my lord. And I have stated in my petition, the CCTV footage also will say that I was at Guwahati at that very day, my lord. That's very good. Huh? Okay.
Mr. Goswami,
Lot,
see matter that for DNA test matter has been sent to the FSL.
FSL.
Give us the FSL report immediately after vacation because otherwise we have seen something else.
Lot,
And 47, 48 also not complied, man. Your lordship is in
This,
the record, I think. You'll kindly see my thing.
in the, if the DNA test makes it clear, it will be better.
yes.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, my medical, your lordship, I have seen
A medical report is there, man.
medical report is in the first column, my lord. First,
Nothing happened, my lord. Usually, my lord, is a concocted this one. Only to blackmailing the petitioner.
perhaps my medical report will suffice.
yes. Medical evidence is
Yes.
sufficient.
Yes.
And that DNA test will make it clear.
Yes,
There are materials, you are not going to reject it at this moment. Tell us, now, if on the basis of this case is bad, and now only on the DNA report, it will come out with clear. 10-2, so
10.
you, at least, I think so by immediately after vacation, you'll have the DNA report.
Lot,
Prior to that, my lord, because
No,
in
may not
custody,
come. See, if, do one thing, if you can get the information regarding this DNA test. You are assisting.
yes, sir.
lordship, I
Goswami,
fixed.
he'll inquire on 5th
Yes, I,
from you after Mr. Nath's report.
Yes.
If this matter is ready.
Yes.
Then he can make a mention, we'll take up.
Lordship.
Otherwise, we'll fix a date.
yes,
Okay. We are expecting certain reports from the forensic laboratory. We have asked senior government advocate Assam Dipankar Nath to submit certain reports. Those matters will come out on 5th.
5th.
So after that, he might give us a certain numbers of cases where what kind of reports are.
On
taken.
5th also, all the matters will come or
No, matters will not come. He will submit a report
where the
regarding
FSL is
the
pending.
FSL reports, DNA report, wherever it is pending.
Yeah.
If it is ready, so there is a system, it seems that the FSL authorities sends email to the concerned SP. And from the concerned SP, it goes to the respective police stations. And the authorized person are supposed to get the report from the FSL. That's how the system goes on. So Mr. Nath is supposed to give us the information given to the SPs of each districts under the number of cases. Right? That is.
So today is 28, my lord. Mr. Nath also may be informed on 5th also this,
No, he will inform us on 5th. So why I'm suggesting he will inquire
my lord.
from Mr.
He pending
Goswami.
as a officer
And
not
if
about
the matter is ready, then he can make a mention, we'll take it after view vacation. Otherwise, they will be taking up it on 23rd of April.
No.
But if the matters are ready, we'll take up immediately.
So, my
before
lordship,
view
yes, fixing it now, my lord, on 5th, my lord.
We are fixing it on 23rd.
Now, lordship, yes.
He will inquire from you on 5th.
Lord,
And if this report is ready, he will make a mention, we will accordingly
I will
fix the
take the
matter
instruction, my lord.
prior to view vacation.
Lord,
All right. No, my lord.
more question. Right. One question.
Okay. No, now the petitioner on call. Though. So. Two councils have been declared in the cause list. Hard Mr. such and such land. counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Rustic, I have standing counsel customs. Seventh,
Lordship, much obliged. Very below, 483, my lord. You can know the rest on 31, 1, my lord.
you have the case there,
My
Mr.
lord,
Sharma?
it is received, my lord. FRS paid 16, lordship.
Tell us
FRS
whether
paid.
further custodial decision is
My lord,
required.
custody is required, my lord. The offense is under section 70, my lord. Gang rape, my lord. Here, they are the boat, my lord, rented house, my lord. Thereafter, on that night, my lord, she was committed rape by the boat of the accused person, my lord.
Informant has not been, okay. What about the service of report?
No, my lord, here, fire
Huh?
service notice not issued,
Okay, the one.
not issued. And last,
You live in Guwahati?
what, my lord?
Okay.
My lord, some of,
Petitioner is directed to take steps.
my lord.
Technically. Matter relates to section 70
My lord.
of the BNS 2023. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice on the informant. Petitioner shall implead. But is required to be implead, not required, I think so.
My lord, in a POXO case, my lord, this is required, my lord.
This is not here, not required.
May I read one thing, my lord?
Okay, give it to us the case there.
My lord.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
same in the previous case, the DNA report will be necessary.
My lord, here also, my lord, some
Right.
holdings were sent for FSM
Ah,
report, my lord,
So basically,
my lord.
the victim also just alleged
My lord,
he refused to go for medical exam.
my lord is there, my lord.
My lord, as per my information, my lord, the victim was refused to for medical examination.
That is there.
When it was forwarded for case there, I
Right.
have seen that. On. It was sent to. Four to 2025,
My lord, my lord, my
fourth
lord,
of
my lord.
February.
It was sent for FSM, my lord, for
Ah.
2 months.
Listed on 22nd.
Hmm.
Get
In the
the
meantime,
FSL.
my lord, if it is
Yes.
from
22nd April, my lord.
Yes.
Offline.
Get the FSL report.
my lord,
Ask the OC to issue reminder.
my lord, my lord,
Okay?
my lord.
For the DNA report.
Offline, lord.
মই কিন্তু এটাই ওলাই যাম সোনকালে মাৰি পেলাই ৰেডি কৰা যিকেইটা দিম Yes,
We have received the case there, my lord,
tell us
my lord. Here, my lord.
whether he is required in custodial interrogation or not.
90.
This is another case.
My lord, item 19, my lord.
I think so. Is there you have seen in some other case.
No, no, my lord, it was returned back, my lord, it was Gorsuch, my lord, earlier case, my lord. It was returned back to me, my lord.
This one is removed. Yeah. Which side one?
Two cases, let's go to.
My lord.
Page, lordship, page 11 is the FIR, your lordship.
ये तो
Lordship की है ये? मतलब ये चल रहा है? लordship की है?
That's what it's got. I am.
मुझे देखा है नहीं या आगे पूछे दिसे
The petitioner is the district president of Atasu, your lordship. Some domestic violence are there between husband and wife. So that day he was called, your lordship. And your lordship, uh, one affidavit has been sworn in by the informant, your lordship, that out of emotion, this affair has been lost, page 17. And also page 18, your lordship, annex 3. There is an acknowledgement. Here also, it is stated that because of some illness, he died in the hospital. आपको थोड़ी हमारी
Tell us, Mr. Sharma, what to do.
My lord, regarding his involvement, my lord, his mother, my lord, this is mother of the disease, my lord. He has categorically stated he was also present, and even the accused person who is the minor, my lord, he has said that he is taking hand of the my lord disease, my lord, at that time when the child, my lord, assaulted the blow in the my lord, and he fell down in the wall, my lord. Last portion, last part, my lord. His statement is there, my lord. CCL, my lord. He is Noyam Jyoti, Noyam Jyoti. CCL Noyam Jyoti, my lord. His statement is also there, my lord. The last part.
He's a minor.
He was minor, my lord.
He was slapped. We are not denying the fact, Your Lordship. I am a district president of Atasi, Your Lordship, so I have some social responsibility, Your Lordship. Because time and again, that family, Your Lordship, because of this domestic.
Death was also due to a head injury, my lord.
And therefore, Your Lordship, otherwise, only that allegation has been raised. It's not that there is no any allegation of that the extramarital relationships are there with the boy. No, not at all. They are not in the affair. Because most of the time these deceased used to take the alcohol, you know. So
Man has expired, don't blame him.
No.
That's not a good habit.
when you condition you lost it, I'll cooperate with the investigation.
How will you give the life to the deceased? Do you have any formula? Heard Mr. A. Devan, counsel appearing for the petitioner. On calamity. And Mr. B. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor appearing for this statement. Petitioner namely such and such. Filed this application under section 482 BNSS on 10/02/2024-25, praying for his pre-arrest bail. Atara got a perform apprehending his arrest deputy under section such and such. Corresponding to GR number 17/2025. As per the FIR, dated 17/1/2025, laws before the officer in charge of Demo Police Station. The case is that on the night around 8 PM. On 14/01/2025.
Yes.
Complainant's youngest son, Suraj Burwa, was mercilessly beaten up by one Sri Sumit Sandikoi and his brother-in-law, due to which his said son expired in the Dibrugarh Medical College and Hospital on 17/01/2025. In the said affair, the complainant also indicated that on the night 14 till the 13 hole. His son, his said son and the youngest daughter-in-law quarreled with each other due to some domestic incident. And it was not known who called said Sumit Chandikoi and his brother-in-law. But they came and physically assaulted his youngest son. And because of such merciless assault on his said son, he expired on 17/01/2025. Said FIR was accordingly registered as Demo Police Station case number 5/2025 under section 103 within bracket 1/3 within bracket 5/61 within bracket 2 BNS 2023. According to the petitioner, He is no way connected with the case. And deceased is a heavily drunken man. And was suffering from illness, due to which he mentally broke down. And because of excessive drinking of alcohol, his son died in the hospital under the treatment. Where was the case diary produced before the court, placed before the court by Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor? The postmortem report of the deceased Mr. Dewan,
Lordship.
remember you are a court officer first. Number 11-112/2025. Dated 18/01/2025. Issued by the Assam Medical College and Hospital. Pertaining to Suraj Borua, son of Sri Hemanto Borua, the complainant. Indicates the cause of death of the deceased son of the complainant due to coma as a result of the head injury sustained by the deceased, and that all the injuries sustained by the deceased were
Other two
antemortem.
injuries are also there, my lord.
All the injuries sustained by the deceased were antemortem in nature and caused by blunt force impact. The PM report of the deceased indicates an aberration of size 9 centimeter into 4 centimeter over his left arm, 9 centimeter above the elbow joint, and Roman 1, Roman 2 করে হবে। A contusion of size 10 centimeter oblique into 5 centimeter. You can understand 9 centimeter and 5 centimeter how long it is. Present over the lateral aspect of right arm, comma 5 centimeter below the shoulder joint. So this indicates that he was beaten up with a stick or
Maybe.
something like that. The postmortem report, said postmortem report, also specified that on the scalp of the deceased, a contusion of size 7 centimeter into 6 centimeter over the right temporoparietal region It is seen from the case there. In spite of giving sufficient information to the petitioner and service of notice, he did not appear before the IO of the case. However, the brother-in-law of the petitioner Nayandip Dwara was arrested in say Demo PS case number 05/2025 and being a child on conflict with law, being a 17 years old and a child conflict with law within bracket CCL. He was produced before the Justice Board at Sipsal. The concerned investigating officer have already recorded the statement of the witnesses acquainted with the fact, including independent witnesses. From the case diary, it is seen that on the basis of an application, on the basis of a application now, report submitted by concerned doctor of the Assam Medical College Hospital, Dibrugarh, information related pertaining to the death of the deceased son of the complainant, Borbari Outpost GD entry number 591 dated 18/01/2025 was registered. That is available in the case diary, which indicates that the concerned doctor informed the said Borbari Outpost that the deceased sustained injury and was admitted in the Dibrugarh Medical College Hospital on 14/01/2025. But he expired in the evening around 6:05 on 17/01/2025 while he was under treatment. In the said information provided to the Borbari Outpost, the concerned doctor, the surgery department, surgery department of the indicated that the deceased sustained injuries due to a fall. The case diary also indicated that it is the brother-in-law of the petitioner who, on whose assault the deceased fell down on the ground, fell down. And it is the petitioner who, along with him, brought his said brother-in-law, his said brother-in-law. Considering such materials, the court is of the view that custodial detention the petitioner is not warranted for his investigation such and such. 1 lakh rupees to local charity, one of which will be a government employee. Every Monday, the petitioner shall appear before the concerned investigating officer at 10:30 for the next 3 English calendar months, commencing from 7th of April. Chief Judicial ABA investigation officer. बाकी condition letter DD.
Sorry for lordship for
See, basically, the things are different. As a court officer,
lost.
a law client will have weaknesses and will have his positive also. It's better to lay down what is the wrong.
Lordship.
What we have seen
I'm
from the
sorry,
practice, what we have seen the lawyers who have been raised to the highest, they had a different style of argument.
Lost.
But we should act as a court officer with the experience. We can understand with the new lawyers, but okay, anyway, doesn't matter. Yes, next.
May I please, Your Honor? Lordship, here in this case, city was called for and I was on interim.
Yes, tell us
My lord,
whether his custodial detention is required or not.
well, after interim, he has appeared, my lord,
Hmm.
and statement also recorded, my lord.
Condon. Another court is taking another bill. Granted. Bill.
Mr. Sharma,
Right.
High Court there is a system. If you lodge any complaint against any judicial officer or any other officer,
Right.
it has to be shown by an affidavit. If it is not with the affidavit, we do not
Hmm.
do it.
Right, right,
Do not, even it doesn't come to the anywhere,
right,
neither the portfolio judge or anywhere, it is sent to dustbin.
right,
straight away,
right,
right?
right,
So here is a particular complaint against the accused persons in the letterhead of somebody,
right.
the ruling party. And just on this basis of information, it is sufficient to act against somebody.
My lord.
Just tell us.
My lord, here,
This is with regard to corruption.
my lord, here statement of the complainant, my lord, also.
So basically, just that is why we want to know,
My lord,
rightly, wrongly. But whether police have such time to look into it, if any such kind of complaint comes. Let us see your case there.
my lord.
It is not a case that we are denying the fact, but
My lord,
there has to
but
be-
sometimes,
see, we have seen in many such cases,
my lord,
just to harass, there
my
are
lord.
case filed and who has lost the case? Who was the complainant? Amol Das. Mr. Sharma, read this, or Mr. Goswami. Now, who will go and build a cat? Just read and tell us. Complaint has been filed by someone
Someone.
from the ruling party. Now, how come the dam was constructed? On the basis of the minister of the ruling party. So, what will happen now? See, we get these things in our mobiles. If you have any complaint against somebody's corruption, official person's corruption, you call this number,
Yes.
you send this WhatsApp this number, right?
Right.
Should have been done straight away, gone to the chief minister's vigilance,
Yes.
right?
If it is.
Is there any mention that it was also forwarded in the chief minister's vigilance and in the FIR?
No.
There is nothing. You feel bad when these kind of things are happening. No. Good, bad is everywhere. Supposed to be all are law-abiding people. What's on the case there?
Right.
Heard Mr. K.K. Hendick, right?
Right.
Counsel appearing for the, how many petitions?
One petitioner.
One
For
petitioner,
the
madam.
petitioner. And Mr. M.P. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor. See, basically, should be strong enough. The administration should be strong enough.
Okay.
Petitioner namely such and such. Apprehending his eligibility. The petitioner namely such and such. Director of Soil Conservation. Filed this application. Sonam Bhari. Under section 482 BNSS on 27/02/2025, praying for his bail. In Nalbari Police Station case number 63/2025 under section 308 within bracket 4. The BNS. The FIR relating to say such and such. Lost by one Kamal Das. In the pad of Bharatiya Janata Party Uttar Nalbari Mandal Committee. Alleging that one Zadir Hussain, Divisional Soil Conservation Officer, Nalbari, and the petitioner, Director of Soil Conservation. Demanded rupees 1 lakh from the villages for allotment of soil conservation dam for erosion protection in the district of Nalbari. Accordingly, on 21/02/2025, less than FIR. Said FIR was accordingly registered as such and such. By order dated. Was there any interim?
He is an interim. But
Okay. By order dated 04/03/2025, the court granted interim bail to the petitioner in said Nalbari PS case number 63/2025. Pursuant to which the petitioner appeared and the concerned investigating officer already recorded his statement.
further, complainant accused number 1 demanded money, and one of the share is also will go to
As per
petitioner
the
number
FIR,
2, accused number
the
2.
FIR name accused Jaidev Hussain demanded money. And the petition number 2 director is to get share of the said amount demanded. During the investigation, police have already seized the relevant records, relevant documents and records. It is seen from the case diary that the minister concerned of the public health engineering, skill, employment and entrepreneurship and tourism department on 29/06/2024 forwarded, recommended the schemes to be allotted under the RIDF project 2024-25 to the Director of Soil Conservation, Guwahati. Pursuant to the same and on due verification, the project was allotted by the Department of Soil Conservation pursuant to the said recommendation. And pursuant to the said recommendation and approved recommendation of the local MLA and minister, local minister, MLA come minister. On approval by the departmental minister, the relevant project was allotted under the Soil Conservation Department of the state, in the district of Nalbari. Considering such materials indicates the court is of the view that custodial detention is not warranted. Let it. During bail made absolute. Specific term আর যদি থাকে লগাই দিবা। কিন্তু ইয়াতে shall not leave to লিখিবা appear before the concerned as and when is required for necessary shall cooperate with the investigation.
Highly obliged.
Madam, item 21 search sheet late on. Search sheeted, madam.
Give us the number.
Search sheet number 8/25. Dated 22/3/25.
Petitioners are on interim, Your Lordship, and that statement has already been.
20.
22/3/25.
What are you? তোমরা নাম করো সনম লিখবি এলআইএস আছে তোমার 5 জন all are resident of রহমান মাঝে এখানে বলে yes on or before 10th.
Yes.
Just a minute, what is the GR case number?
Corresponding GR case number, Your Lordship.
GR number
GR number 302
3025.
of 2025.
Look at it. Before the appropriate forum for their on or before 10th of April.
Okay.